In primetime news this evening, Prime Minister responds to controversy surrounding Kamina Johnson-Smith's nomination for Secretary General of the Commonwealth. The most vulnerable dissatisfied with upgraded roadways, part 2 of a TVJ News In Focus special report. And later, police confirm reggae legend Tabby Diamond's murder directly linked to his son, who is in custody for murder.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, do you agree or disagree that upgraded roads in and around the corporate area have provided some ease in traffic congestion? You can give reasons for your answer. Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.